What up, guys? It's Nathan from Misfit Cartel. This is my new channel. I'm doing a bike review today on the 2012 VERDE VEX XL, all black. Personally, I like this bike, but it's time for like upgrades and new parts and stuff. Okay, let's get started with my forks. My forks are 1/8 VERDE stock forks. They're pretty wide. They hold a really fat tire, which I like riding. My stem is alloy stem, full chromoly VERDE stock. My bars are 8.6 rise full chromoly VERDE bars. There's nothing special to them. My grips, they're ODI super soft, long and X, regular ODI bar ends that come with them. My front wheel, it's a 333 Cinema double wall, all black rim, regular gay sport spokes. I have a 14 millimeter hub, female. I have a fit OG peg on the front, no hub guard. Move on to my cranks. They're 3-piece cranks, VERDE stock, Salt Plus 25 tooth sprocket, KMC half-link chain stock, dual PC Resolite pedals, pretty grippy. I like them. My back wheel, again a 3-3 double wall Cinema tire wheel. Regular gauge spokes. I have a 14 millimeter female rear cassette hub. It's pretty loud. I like it. A 9 tooth driver. Like some Diamondback peg or something. Again, no hub guard. I'm riding a Duo 2.25 fat tires, front and back. I don't think I mentioned that. My seat and my seat post. My seat post is a Salt Plus seat post. It's pretty basic. My seat is the stock VERDE VEX XL seat that comes with it. That's specially made for it. Pivotal. My frame is all black. Has a nice head tube. It's like a 75-degree angle top tube or something. It's 20.75 inches. It's pretty big, but it's time to get a new one. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's it. This is a new channel that I started. Me and my friend Scott. His bike check is probably like about 2 videos below mine. So we're doing like reviews, how-tos, part checks, thoughts on like new companies and shoes and bikes and parts and stuff. So if you want more, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Peace.